You been fly, you been broke, you been high, you been low. Searching for salvation with no navigation, where to go? You're from the bottom. Mission impossible, any obstacle. Anybody said they're gonna stop you, dude, shoot the bull with an actual arsenal. No problem. Still feel lost down here, going down here. Pain is blood, there's scars down here. Got pie in the sky, but we starve down here. The rich live, they breathe more. The poor died, you grieve more. And even with that said, somehow you survive. You just drop off your luck, somehow you uprise now. Get ready for the road. You're from a place where it's strong surviving. That's just all you know. It's kinda hard, but you remain a giant. Get ready for the road.
Lauren
That's just all you know. It's kinda hard, but you remain a lion out in the jungle. This is what it is right now. Using your gift right now, just to make it big right now. Trying to live right now. Show hating kids right now. Success, your revenge right now. Get it in right now. Shopping for greatness, distraction cannot be weakness right now. The way that they reach to take the shot from me, think that they playing defense right now. Question, ain't nothing accepted but profession and perfection. That's evident, but legacy's an exception. What's your preference? Goes together and be growing better till you know forever. That's the whole endeavor. Coming from a place where survive 25 is the only pleasure. So it's never falling for whatever that they told us. Good cause forever. Getting back everything that they owe us. So no love. Somehow you done came, you saw you conquered, and the past done turned you to a bigger monster now. Get ready for the road. You're from a place where it's strong surviving. That's just all you know. It's kinda hard, but you remain a giant. Get ready for the road. You're from a place where it's strong surviving. That's just all you know. It's kinda hard, but you remain a lion out in the jungle.
Here's a real simple one, real fast and easy. Just spin around once, twice, maybe even 3 times. Stop. Boom. All right, Karen, we seem to have completely dodged a bullet. But as you can tell, it's still raining buckets.
Cause you like Gucci and gold, you own that original, but slightly out of control. Goodness gracious, it's amazing. Patrick Swayze, hell, blow my mind, yeah. Lemon and lime, yeah. One of a kind and so incredible.
Layup Larry 101.
I'm like a gambler for you. I cannot stop win or lose. You take it all, that's the truth. Now I'm a train off the track, racing myself for impact. I don't know how to turn back. It's exciting, shock me like lightning, and you ain't trying. Hell, better than ever. A Kendall Jenner, take me to hell.